How to renew your passport. The following article is for those who need to renew a United States of America passport. You can usually renew your passport by mail, but under certain circumstances, you may need to renew your passport in person, instead. If currently living abroad, you will need to renew your passport in person at a U.S. embassy or consulate. Keep reading to learn more about the various ways to renew your passport and when each way is required. Method 1. Renew by mail. 1. Check the requirements. Renewing your passport by mail is the standard method, but among other conditions, your most recent passport has to be fairly current and in good shape. Your most recent U.S. passport should be undamaged. You will need to be able to submit it with your application, so it needs to be in good enough condition to survive mailing. The passport should have your current legal name on it. If not, you will need to have legal documentation showing your name change and must be prepared to send that documentation in with your application. Your most recent passport must have been issued within the past 15 years. You must have been at least 16 years old when your most recent passport was issued. You must currently reside within the United States or Canada. If any of these conditions cannot be met, you will need to renew your passport in person. 2. Fill out Form DS-82. This form, U.S. Passport Renewal Application for Eligible Individuals, is a fairly straightforward form that will ask you for personal information. All sections of the form are required. You can fill the form out on the computer and print it, or you can print a blank form and fill it out by hand using black ink. Specify the type of passport you want to apply for. You can apply for a U.S. passport book, U.S. passport card, or both. You can also apply for a 28-page book or a 52-page book. Fill out your biographic information. Include your last name, first name, and middle name. Also include your date of birth, sex, place of birth, and social security number. If you have used other names in the past, including a legal name change, maiden name, or previous marriage, you will need to list these names, as well. Include your contact information. Write down your e-mail address, primary contact phone number, and mailing address. Write out the information on your current passport. Write your name as listed on the passport, your most recent passport book or passport card number, and the issue date of both or either document. Complete the remainder of the form. You will need to indicate your height, hair color, eye color, occupation, employer or school if applicable, permanent address, emergency contact, and travel plans. 3. Sign and date the form. You need to sign the first page of the application with your full signature. You also need to indicate the current date. 4. Attach additional documents. In addition to the application, there are several other documents you will need to include in order to get your passport renewed. Include your most recent U.S. passport. This can either be a book or card. You will need a current, updated passport photograph. This photograph must be in color, printed on photo quality paper, 2 by 2 inches, 51 by 51 millimeters, large, sized so that the head is between 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, and 1/3, 8 inches, 25 and 35 millimeters, from the bottom of the chin to the top of the head, and taken within the last 6 months. It also needs to be taken in front of a plain white background with a neutral expression and in daily clothing. You must also include the current passport fee. As of March 2013, an adult passport book and card cost $140 to renew. The book alone costs $110, and the card alone costs $30. Make the check payable to the Department of State. If your current name varies from the name on your most recent passport, you must also send a court order or marriage certificate to indicate why your name changed. 5. Mail in the form. Pack all the documents into a padded, waterproof envelope and mail it to National Passport Processing Center, P.O. Box 90155, Philadelphia, PA 19190-0155. 6. Wait until ready. As of early March 2013, routine applications are processed within 4 to 6 weeks. If expedited, a passport is usually ready within 2 to 3 weeks. If you are in a rush due to travel plans, expedite your application by writing expedite clearly across the outside of the mailing envelope. You should also send it using overnight delivery, and you must include a check for $60 made out to the U.S. Department of State. Use an envelope that is large enough to fit all the documents without folding them. Method to renew in person. 1. Determine if you need to apply in person. Applying in person is not usually necessary, but certain conditions will require you to renew in person. If your current passport is damaged or you cannot mail it, you will need to apply in person. You will also need to apply in person if your passport was issued when you were a minor under 16 years of age, or if it was issued more than 15 years ago. If you cannot provide legal documentation to verify a name change, you cannot apply by mail. You must apply with the U.S. Embassy or U.S. Consulate if you live outside of the United States or Canada. 2. Fill out Form DS-11. This form, application for a U.S. passport, is the same form used for first-time applicants. You must complete it in black ink, but you can either fill it out online and print it or fill out a blank copy by hand. Indicate where you applied and the date of application. Specify whether you are renewing a U.S. passport book, U.S. passport card, or both. Also indicate if you want a 28-page book or 52-page book. Include your biographical information. This includes your last name, first name, and middle name, along with your date of birth, sex, place of birth, and social security number. You must also list other names you have used, regardless of whether they appear on your current passport or not. Write down your contact information. Include your email address, phone number, and mailing address. Include your parental information. This includes both your mother's and father's name, date of birth, place of birth, sex, and citizenship status. Fill out the rest of the form. The form will ask for your height, hair color, eye color, occupation, employer or school if applicable, additional contact phone numbers, permanent address, emergency contact, travel plans, and marital status. You will also need to indicate that you have previously been issued a passport. Do not sign the form before submitting it. This form must be signed and dated in person. 3. Submit the form in person. Turn your renewal form in at an acceptance agency or passport agency. You can find your nearest acceptance agency online. These facilities usually include post offices, clerks of court, public libraries, and other government offices. Go to a passport agency if you need your passport renewed within 2 weeks or less. An appointment is required, and you can schedule one at your nearest agency by calling 1-877-487-2778. 4. Also submit evidence of U.S. citizenship. You must present one primary source of evidence along with your application. This evidence will be kept as your application is processed and returned once your renewed passport arrives in the mail. Primary evidence can include a previously issued, undamaged U.S. passport. If you cannot present your most recent passport, you can also use a certified birth certificate, consular report of birth abroad, naturalization certificate, or certificate of citizenship. 5. Show some ID. In addition to proof of citizenship, you must also present proof of your identity. A previously issued, undamaged U.S. passport can act as identification. Other sources of ID include a naturalization certificate, valid driver's license, government ID, or military ID. 6. Present a photocopy of your ID. You must submit a photocopy of the identification source you present at the time of renewal. The photocopy must be on plain white paper stock. Use standard 8:1:2 by 11-inch 22 by 28 cm paper. The copy must show both the front and back of the ID, but it can only contain images on one side. Do not decrease the size of the image and do not use larger or smaller paper. The paper must also be free of other markings. 7. Pay the fee. As of March 2013, an adult passport book and card cost $140 to renew. The book alone costs $110, and the card alone costs $30. If applying for an expedited passport renewal, you will need to pay an additional $60 fee. You can pay using a major credit card, debit or check card, check, bank draft, or money order. Do not try to pay with cash. 8. Provide a photo. The photograph must be in color, printed on photo quality paper, and 2 by 2 inches, 51 by 51 millimeters, in size. The photo must also be sized so that the head is between 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, and 1/3, 8 inches, 25 and 35 millimeters, from the bottom of the chin to the top of the head. The photo can be no older than 6 months. You should take the photo in plain, everyday clothing, and you should wear a neutral expression with your eyes open. 9. Wait until ready. As of early March 2013, routine applications are processed within 4 to 6 weeks. Expedited passport renewals usually take between 2 and 3 weeks. Method 3. Renew abroad. 1. Contact a U.S. embassy or consulate. The procedure for renewing your U.S. passport can vary from country to country, but in each country other than Canada, you will need to renew your passport in person through a U.S. embassy or consulate. Check with the U.S. embassy or consulate to find out if there are additional procedures or requirements beyond those required for in-country, in-person renewals. 2. Follow the instructions for renewing your passport in person. While the exact procedure can vary from country to country, the general renewal procedure is used in most foreign countries. Fill out Form DS-11 completely and accurately. Submit evidence of U.S. citizenship and a current, valid source of identification. Submit a photocopy of the identification presented at the time of renewal. Provide a valid passport photo. Pay the current passport fees. 3. Allow extra time for processing. While the routine service usually takes 4 to 6 weeks in the country, renewing your passport while residing in another country can take up to twice that amount of time. Depending on the country you are residing in, expedited service may or may not be available. Tips. If desired, you can check the current status of your application online. This status should be available 5 to 7 days after your application has been received. Contact the National Passport Information Center if you have any questions or concerns regarding passport renewal. You can contact the NPIC by email at npic@state.gov or by phone at 1.877.4usa.ppt or 1-888-874-7793. If living abroad, contact the NPIC through your U.S. embassy or consulate. Things. Most recent U.S. passport. Passport renewal form. Current identification. Photocopy of identification. Proof of citizenship. valid passport photograph.